All right, today on Unpacked, we are going to check out some
weird packaging.
Weird packaging.
Interesting
packaging.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. All right, so we have another example here of playful packaging, and that's packaging that's just adding value and adding to the experience of, in this case, a toy. And so, are you ready to get started?
Yep.
We're gonna have to read some instructions, I think. Okay. Can you read?
No.
Okay. Let's see here. Follow the numbers for the ultimate unboxing experience. I just gotta read. The ultimate unboxing experience starts here. So I think.
So you tear here, right here, and then
tear.
And then like.
Okay.
Like
Yeah. Let's do it. Here, let's show kind of what's going on here. So we've got this little like caution tear strip tape that goes around. Oh, keep going.
Oh, it makes it look like you're tearing the chain.
Oh, is there a chain on there?
Yeah. See, you just tore the chain.
All right. Now what do you need to do? Take this wrap off. There's like another tear strip here.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool.
All right.
This is cool.
Okay. Oh, there's number 2.
Okay.
Wait, nope, there's a number 1.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's take it out of here. All right. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Step 1, is it on a flat surface?
Yes.
Not sure. Step 2.
Pull it. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's waking up. Step 3, insert the key.
Which way? Like this?
Put it all the way in. Okay, leave it in there. Leave it in there.
Holy cow.
You need to step 4. Where's step 4? You need to yell in here and then knock. So yell.
You can't get out!
And start knocking. Ah! 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 How am I yelling? Is it good? This is a lot of knocking. Yay! Oh, it says knock here.
Oh, that could have made it easier.
I don't know.
This is purple.
This is purple. Come on out! You're gonna make it angry. You're gonna make it mad. It's making me mad. More and more mad. Ah! Wait. Ah! It's getting madder. It's getting madder. It's getting madder. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Thank you. That was a lot of work. All right, let's see here. I don't know how to get this off.
So let's just do this. Let's just do this.
Whoa. This thing's...
This thing's angry.
All right, what's in there? It's
Alright.
like accessories. Ah, there it goes.
There we go. Oh, that was a lot.
That was a lot. Let's check out this packaging. So what do we have here, Parker? We have quite the elaborate
Yeah,
system
wow.
here. So there is it's like a micro flute box, printed just one side, but they've got a bunch of components in here. And then there is this whole ridiculous contraption in here that keeps it locked to the bottom. And then you've got, even on this lid, you've got rubber bands that spring it closed. This is probably one of the more elaborate packaging and system things that I've
Ever seen.
seen. Like, this base is incredibly sophisticated to hold it in place. Super cool. And then just these cool little die cuts here on the side for the bars that are all bent up. Just the whole look and the aesthetic of it. It's super cool. It took us a long time to get it out, but
Wait, what are these accessories?
but what a cool, and then the whole thing was wrapped in in this like paperboard sleeve. And the way that they did these die lines, or just the die line and the aesthetics here. Anyways, the way that they did the graphics here, the way that the perf tore off, what a really cool experience. And it made this otherwise normal toy so much more playful and interactive. And the fact that you can still reuse this box and do that whole experience again.
I don't know if I want.
That was a lot of work. What did you think of it though? It's pretty cool.
Yeah, let's keep that entirely on. Of our training process.
All right, well, thanks for watching. If you've seen anything cool like this that you want us to unbox, we'd love to check it out. So hit us up in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for
Hanging out with us.
hanging out with us. Yeah.